All right, the second part of our 5.1 lesson, solving inequalities by addition and subtraction, is the solving by subtraction part. So solving by subtraction is very similar to solving by addition. So when we solve by subtraction, if the same number, so we have the same number being subtracted, so if the same number is subtracted from both sides of a true, so it has to be a true, of a true inequality, then the inequality remains true. Okay, so let's look at some examples. So our first example here is we have m plus 19 is greater than 56. So to solve this, we simply need to subtract. So that is the inverse operation of adding. So we will subtract 19 from both sides of our inequality. When we do that, we're left with m is greater than 37. So like we talked about before, we have to write it in set builder notation because it's the more concise way to write a solution set. So the solution set for this would be, we have solution set is our teacher squiggle, and our set of all numbers m such that m is greater than 37. All right, so we have our set builder notation. Now we need to check our solution and make sure that it checks out. So let's scoop this up some. So let's check it at 3 different values. So let's do m equals 37, m equals 45, and m to be 30. So when we try 37, we have 37 plus 19 is greater than 56. And that tells us that 56 is greater than 56, which is false. 56 is not greater than 56. 56 is 56. Okay, so we can't have 37, which is shown to be in our solution set. What about 45? We have 45 plus 19 is greater than 56, and 45 plus 19 is 64. 64 is greater than 56, so that one is true. Okay, now let's try 30. If m is equal to 30, then we have 30 plus 19 is greater than 56. 30 plus 19 is 49, and 49 is not greater than 56, so that one is false. If we go back and look at our solution set, 30 could not work because 30 is not greater than 37. All right, let's look at another example. If we have example 4, or example 2 here, sorry. All right, so in example 2, let's look at p plus 8 is less than or equal to 18. All right, so to start solving this, the first step we would need to do is to subtract 8 from both sides. When we subtract 8 from both sides, we are left with p to be less than or equal to 10. All right. Next, we need to write our solution set here. Our solution set starts with all real numbers p such that p is less than or equal to 10. Don't forget to put your teacher squiggles on there. Okay, so then let's check our work. So we check it. We're going to choose 3 more. Let's do p equals 10, p equals 5, and p equals 15. So we chose a number that is our answer, one that is less than, and one that is larger than 10. Okay, when we do that, we have 10 plus, whoa. Let me fix that. We've got 10 plus 8 is less than or equal to 18. And 10 plus 8 gives me 18. 18 is equal to 18, and that is part of our inequality symbol, so it is true. Next, we have 5 plus 8 is less than or equal to 18. 5 plus 8 is 13, and 13 is less than 18, so that one is also true. And last one, if p is 15, we have 15 plus 8 is less than or equal to 18. Well, 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 is larger than 18, so that makes that false. Okay, so based on our solution set, the number had to be less than 10 or could be equal to 10. Therefore, 5 and 10 both checked out in this example. All right, so for your practice problems that I want you to do now on your own, you have 2 of them to do. And don't forget, you need to bring these to class tomorrow for us to check together. So these are numbers 3. We have G plus 6, less than 2, less than 2. And number 4, we have K plus 24 is greater than negative 5. All right, so you need to do the 2 from the video before as well as numbers 3 and 4 and have these ready to go in class tomorrow.